Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you have someone you want to block on Facebook Messenger without them knowing? Then this video is sure for you. Today we're gonna learn how to block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Messenger app on our phone and choose someone you want to block. Let's say for example here. I want to block this person. What you need to do is click on her name located at the top portion of the screen and click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen, and there will be options. Now you just need to click on block. As you can see, it stated you will be unfriending them on Facebook. You can prevent unwanted contact and they won't be notified. And click block to confirm. And that's it. That's how you block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.